In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a community in Kajabi, the beginner's guide you've been looking for. Creating a community on Kajabi can seem daunting at first, but I promise it's a straightforward process that we'll walk through together step by step. By the end of this guide, you'll be well on your way to building an engaging space for your audience. Let's dive right in. First things first, you'll need to sign into your Kajabi account. If you haven't already signed up, make sure to create an account and log in. Once inside, you'll find yourself on the Kajabi dashboard. Think of it as your home base for all things related to your online business. Now, direct your attention to the left-hand side where you'll see the navigation menu. You're going to click on products. This section of the dashboard is where all the magic happens. It's your go-to for creating courses, podcasts, and most importantly, your community. Once you've clicked on products, a new set of options will appear. Here you'll see an option for community. Go ahead and click on that. This is where you'll start developing a space where your audience can connect with you and each other. Now there should be a button labeled Get Started. By clicking on this, you're well on your way, beginning to carve out a new community space for your followers. Don't worry if you feel a bit overwhelmed, just take it one step at a time. You'll then be prompted to type in a title and description for your community. Think carefully about these fields because they serve as a welcoming introduction to new members. Your title should be clear and informative, while the description can offer a brief overview of what members can expect. Once you're satisfied with what you've written, click on Continue. Next, it's time to give your community a visual identity. You'll want to upload a cover image. This could be your brand logo, a relevant image that speaks to your community's theme, or any visual that sets the right tone. After uploading, continue by clicking Continue. You'll now need to type in a name for your new access group. This step is all about organizing who gets access to what inside your community. Creating specific groups allows you to segment discussions or resources if needed. The next prompt invites you to set up membership options, free or paid. Decide how you want to structure this access. If you're starting with a free community, select that option. If not, choose paid and consider your pricing model. At this point, you'll see an option to skip for now to save and finish. This can be particularly useful if you want to revisit any options or simply solidify your decisions later. This saves your progress so you don't lose any work. And there you have it, voila! Congratulations, you've just created your first community in Kajabi. You're all set to start interacting and growing your brand with your audience. Keep exploring the features Kajabi offers to boost engagement and enhance the community experience. Thank you for watching, and happy community building.